There are two ways of adding Sell the Trend to your Shopify store. You can either add the app from the App Store within Shopify. So if we search for apps and then Sell the Trend, where you can see Sell the Trend AI dropshipping. So we click on that. That takes us to the app, or from within Sell the Trend itself, you can go to, in the left-hand menu, Connections, and then if you click Connect Store, and then click Connect, it will take you to the same app installation page. So let's install the app. If we click Install, we have to verify that we want to install the app. And then our Shopify store is connected, so we can then click to start adding products to our store, which takes us back to Sell the Trend. If we then click on Product Research and then Store Manager, we can see here the stores that have been connected to your Sell the Trend account. If you want to add another store, you can click Create Add the Store here. There are two settings we need to look at in Sell the Trend: automation and pricing rules. If we look at automation, the first setting enables to push to store. This automatically publishes the store. So when you push up your data from Sell the Store into Shopify, it'll automatically publish the products as live. This second setting will send an email notification to your Shopify orders when an order has been placed and fulfilled. Alerts enables you to receive email alerts when you receive a new order to your store from Sell the Trend. Pricing rules enable you to automatically set the price of new products in your store. There are two different prices you need to look at. The final product price, that's the price you sell at. The compare at price is like a reference price. So like when you're having a sale and it says, was 100, now 50, the 100 is the compare at price. So both of these work on the product cost price. So in the simple sense, there's a multiplier, and you can set a multiplier of the cost price to give you these prices. So in this case, the product cost times 3 gives you the final product price, and a product cost times 6 gives you the compare at price. Sell the Trend also gives you the option to set different product markups depending on cost ranges. So if we click Advanced Pricing Rules, and this has been set up to say between $0 and $10, there's a markup of 3 and a compare price at 4, 10 to 100, a markup of 6, compare price at 10, 100 to 1,000 is 10 again, and then anything over 1,000 is also 10. So that enables you to set a range of markups based on different price ranges.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.